For those newbies that claim that there is money in trading, I just want to tell you that there's no money in trading. For your own good, there's no money in trading. Please, if not, you will regret it, you will cry. You are seeing what others are doing, you are seeing what JB Benson and Forex are doing. You've been seeing their luxurious cars, costly houses and mansions, what they are, you love their lifestyle, right? And you want to get involved in trading so that you can also make decent money. I am telling you now, sir, you're not regret it later. There is no money there. Go and look for a mentor. Look for someone to teach you how to trade first. Before you get yourself involved, you must know what you are doing. Have an edge, know what you're doing. You know how to analyze the market carefully. You know how to apply risk management. There are a lot of things in trading. You know how to fight against over trading. So you cannot just rise up on your own and say, oh, there's money in trading, just try to carry your money and go. You will regret putting your money into any broker to trade. There's money in trading if and only if you have a coach, a guidance, someone who is showing you what to do, telling you what not to do, when to enter and when not to enter, guiding you till you become conversant with the market. You just rush in and start saying there's money in trading and I should go and trade. Who does that? It will not work for you. I'm telling you this. The reason I'm saying this is because a lot of people are crying in my DMs. They are just like, oh, I wish I had known, I would have not get myself involved in this. I've lost so much. Then, normally, even if you learn, if you're not careful, you lost your money and then your eye go clear. So it's all about your emotions, how you get yourself together and go with the market gently. You don't rush when trading. Take it easy. It is just like a journey of 1,000 miles. You just take it step by step till when you arrive. This is for the newbies. Don't rush and say there's money in trading. Let me just get myself involved. Go and learn and work. Go and work. Go and work first. Build a life first. Then you look for mentor to teach you how to trade. If possible, if you have a good mentor that has a trading boot, you can just get subscribed to it, use the boot, it trades for you, and you are good. You are good to go. It's more better. You know what people are facing? Even those big forex traders, they will never tell you the truth. If they should tell you what they are facing secretly in trading, you yourself, you will run. They will always hide the screenshot of their losses and then post the screenshot of their profit. They are making profit, yes, but they are still making loss at the same time. They are still making losses at the same time. So for your own information, there is no money in trading. There is no money in trading, but there is money if you are disciplined in trading. You are not greedy. You don't chase the market as if the market will run away. But you follow it steadily. You have an edge. You know what you're doing. The knowledge is important and not what you are seeing. Some of you say that I will go through YouTube and do it and make it. YouTube will help me. It will never help you. How will you be able to make it through YouTube if it's not somebody telling you, okay, those videos that you are watching, you that does not know left to right, how will you be able to make it? It is somebody that knows left to right that will tell you, this is the first video for you to watch. Follow after this one, then this other one. It will guide you on the proper video for you to watch. He knows the left to right, so he's the one to guide you. Just wake up one morning and then just go to YouTube and start searching for videos, trading videos, and start watching, and then you believe it will take you 5 years. Someone came to me, messaged me, and told me that he has been trading for 5 years, no profit. 5 good years, but people are using 3 years to make their first $1 million. They're using 2 years to make good profit, and yet 5 years, nothing to write home about. Why? I asked him. He said that he was going through YouTube videos. Imagine. He felt cheated to remove ordinary $50 to pay for mentorship. Someone that charged him that amount, he told me he refused to pay, but he has lost over $2,000. Look at, I know you that watch this video, you will not listen. You will still go ahead and do what you have to tell you. Go to YouTube videos and go and trade. Let me see how you will succeed. You better look for a mentor.